Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to uninstall a Royal Match application on your mobile device. So if you've recently deleted your Royal Match account and you'd like to get rid of the application as well, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump right in. Close off your Royal Match game from the app preview and then locate it in the app drawer. Here I have my Royal Match game in the app drawer. Simply go ahead and hold the app for a few seconds and then in the pop-up, tap on the Remove App button. Now tap on the Delete App button twice, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to remove or uninstall Royal Match game from your mobile device. And there you have it. It is pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.